In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can rank your website on Google's first page within 24 hours of you publishing a post on your website or you publishing your website on the internet. Now, before we get on the video, I want to show you a proof, which is my website actually. So if I type on the keyword Elevate Auto Pilot app and hit on enter, as you can see, this right here is a video actually on my channel that is ranking on Google's first page. As you can see, it says uploaded by Web Hustle TV, and you can check the video in my channel right there. You're going to see this video right there to prove. And this website right here is actually my website. Let me open it right here for you so you guys will see. It's ranking on Google first page. It's loading, and this is actually my website that's ranking on Google's first page right here, and I'm going to show you how I did that and how I did it to make it possible for my website right here to rank on Google's first page. And it's actually a subdomain. As you can see, it says webhustletv.blogspot.com. I used Google's very own blogger to create my website, and it's ranking on the first page of Google right here. So before we get right into this video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more videos like this. And it's also going to encourage me, and it's going to show this video to more people who are trying to rank their website on Google's first page right now. So let me give you and walk you through step by step. But now I did it, that made my video and also my website to rank on Google first page. Now the first thing you're going to do right here is you're going to do what is known as keyword research. Keyword research. Now, I'm going to open a website here known as wordcounter.io or .net. Hit on enter. Now, let me cancel that out there. Now, let's assume you want to make you're writing an article on your website on how to bake bread without oven. This is just like an example of what you can of an article that is going to be written maybe on your website, how to bake bread without an oven. Now I'm just using this keyword right here as an example. So yours can be how to make money online, how to do this, or any other thing. So you just head over to this website and type in this word right here. Then you head over to Google's very own keyword planner website. You head over to Google and you type Google keyword planner right here and hit on enter. Now what we're actually doing, you're going to click on this one right here. So what we're actually doing, you're going to look for people, how many people are actually searching for this particular keyword. So you don't go ahead and write an article and nobody is searching for the particular keyword, you're not going to get any traffic to your website. So now, when we move right here, and let me read English right here. Oh, I don't know why it's in German, but it seems my VPN is on. Let me switch it off. Okay, that's it right there. Let me refresh it so as to get it in English. Now you click on this here, it says to the keyword planner, and it's going to take you straight to Google's keyword planner website. While it's loading, guys, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe right now. It's going to really encourage me and help me a lot to get these videos seen more to people who are trying to rank their website on Google. So now it's loading, as you can see. Now you're going to click on this one right here. It says discover new keyword. You're going to click on that, and you're going to remove your country. I'm in this particular country here, so I have to remove it because you're going to get worldwide information. So you head over to where you paste your keyword, you copy it, and let me paste it right here, and get results on how many people are actually searching for this particular keyword. Now, as you can see, how to bake bread without an oven has an average set of 1,000 people per month, which is good, and it also has a low competition, which gives you a higher chance of ranking very, very high. As you can see here, this one says how to make bread at home without oven. How to make bread at home without oven. And now, as you can see, the difference between this one and this one is that this one has a higher search volume than this one. So instead of using this one, it would be better if we use this one, because this one has 1k to 10k people searching for it monthly, while this one does have 100 to 1k people. So we're going to use this one instead of this particular one that does have 100 to 1k people. So we're going to replace it with this one. So instead of how to make bread without an oven, you're going to replace it with how to make bread at home without an oven, which is very, very good. So you've gotten a particular keyword which has a lot of search and it has low competition. So that is the first step, and it is not limited to only this keyword. You can also use it for other keywords. Like I've said, maybe you're writing an article on how to make money online, how to do any other thing. You can use this Google Keyword Planner to know the volume of search that particular keyword is getting. So now, once you've done your keyword research, the second thing we're going to do right now is known as a keyword analysis. Now, what keyword analysis means that we are going to head over to Google, which you want to rank your website on, and search for this particular keyword, how to make bread at home without an oven, and see who is ranking number one. Now, I'm going to copy this right here and head over to this place, paste it right there and hit on enter. Now, this person right here who is ranking number one, you're going to open his article in a new tab, because you are trying to rank higher than this person right here. You want us to be at the top before this person on for you. Like you're trying to, like this is your competitor. You are trying to rank higher than this person. Now, if you guys notice right here, let me search for the keyword Autopilot app, and if you guys notice right here, my website right here is actually not ranking number one, but it's ranking on the first page, because I'm going to tell you why this website right here is not ranking number one very soon, so you guys don't do that, so your website will be able to rank at the top right here. Mine is supposed to rank at the top right here, but I made a mistake which I'm going to tell you guys now, so you don't make that particular mistake. Now, as you can see right here, it says this is your competitor who is ranking number one. So what you're going to do right now, you're going to click on Control A to copy all the word in this particular website. So you're going to know how many words this person actually have in his website. Click on copy and head over to wordcounter.io and click on paste. Now, as you can see, this person wrote a total of 927 words on on their website, which give you a very, very high chance of you ranking higher than this person right here. So what you're going to do right now, you're going to write an article on your website. Instead of you writing 927 words on your website, you're going to write times 2, which is let me say 1,800 words on your website. Once you've written 1,800 words on your website, trust me, you're going to rank higher than this person right here, because he wrote only 927 words, and you wrote times 2 of the words he wrote on his website. You're going to rank higher than him, guys. Higher than the person who owns the website, but I don't know, maybe he's a boy or a girl, so I'm not going to use rank higher than the person on the website. So once you've done that, once you've written an article higher than this person's website, and you've published it on your website, so you're going to head over to this third step. You're going to head over to Google Search Console. Hit enter, and this one right here, you're going to click on it. This first one right here. Now, most people they go on and publish an article on their website, but they are going to wait months and months. They're not going to see the website on Google. They didn't submit their website to Google for review and checking, so as to make them appear on Google search. They didn't submit it to Google Search Console. So you're going to go to Google Search Console and click on Start Now right here. And I'm going to use this one as an example. Maybe this is the website, the link to the article of your website. So you're going to click on copy and head over to this place where it says this right here. I'm going to click on add property. You can see here I have a lot of property here, and all these websites right here are ranking on Google. So you're going to click on add property, and you're going to move on to this place and paste your website and click on continue. So if you're using Google's Blogger, it is automatically going to verify your website. But if you're using a domain and a hosting, you'll be asked to upload this file to your web hosting CRM where you keep your website file. You're going to upload this file. Once you've uploaded this file right there, it's going to be verified and you'll be good to go. But this is not my website. I won't be able to verify it, so I'm going to remove the property. Remove. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So as I've said, do your keyword research. Head over to Google Keyword Planner. Do your research on how many people are searching for that particular keyword, and head over to and do your keyword analysis. Know your competitor, the person that is ranking first, and know how you can write your article. You are going to multiply the number of words in an article by 2, and you're going to write yours, or even by 3, so as to give you a higher chance of never going down on Google search. But that was actually what I did here. And let me go back and show you guys what I said I'll show you. Oh, sorry. Elevate onto the pilot app. Now, the reason why my website is right here is that I didn't write up to the number of words this guy wrote here. The number of words I wrote was low. That's why mine was still ranking at the bottom here, but it's on the first page, which also gave me a higher chance of ranking on the first page. So don't make that mistake. Make sure your word is more than this one right here. Like for example, this one is 927 words. Make sure yours is times 2, which is what, 1,800 words, and you're going to get a higher chance of ranking on Google. So the fourth step of you ranking on, like getting your website to rank on the first page of Google, is getting backlinks. Now, backlinks is like a way, like Google used to Google detect backlinks in such a way that other websites are referring to your website. For example, if we head over to the website now, let me check, maybe they have a backlink, like in this article right here, and this one you can see this is actually a link. This link can be to your website. So the number of website that actually has your website on it, like referring to your website, is known as backlinks. And the more backlinks you have, the higher chance of you ranking on Google. I'm going to make a video on how to get backlinks very soon, so make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications. So when I drop that video, you will the first one to get it, and you'll be the first one to actually you utilize it, so your website will be ranking number 1 on Google. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe and like this video so it gets seen by others, and thanks for watching.